Hey guys, how are you all doing? Did you know that no matter which country you live in, you can actually change your country in the Google Play Store? So today I am going to show you step by step how you can easily change your Play Store country right from your phone. But before we start, make sure to subscribe my channel Zonic Tech and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my tech videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then go to Payment and Subscription. After that, tap on Payment Method and then select More Payment Settings. It may take a few seconds to load, but once it opens, you will see the full payment profile page. Here you will find the option to change your country. You can simply select your desired country. and update it from there. And that's it. This is how you can easily change your country in the Google Play Store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Zonic Tech for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.